On tonight's episode of The Stretches, we're going to work our lower limbs. Alright, let's do this. Hey guys, Dr. Dan here. Just want to run you through some lower limb stretches. I've just done a bit of a leg workout. I need to get these guys flexible and moving before I walk out of here. Let's get started. Starting out our stretches for tonight, we're going to work from the bottom, up, into our glutes and into our hip flexors. So starting from the bottom, we're going to work into our calves. All we need is a nice easy space like a wall, something that we can rest up against while we go through this. Remembering always to breathe as we go through our stretches, just so we can get a bit more relaxed into each of the movements. Let's go. So I'm going to start with my calves. After 30 seconds, just swapping sides. From here, we're going to move into our quads at the front of our legs here. I'm going to start with my left side and show you from the side what that looks like. And just swapping over to the other side. For the next one, we're going to work into our hamstrings at the back of our legs. For this, I'm going to use a bench, but you can use something like a countertop or a chair, something comfortable. And if you need, just grab something to hold on to keep your balance while you're doing this. Now, just a quick reminder, the emphasis here, we want on our hamstrings in the stretch is we don't want to reach out for our toe, but we want to tilt from our pelvis forward so that we feel the stretch just in the back of our leg here. And swapping sides. From here, I want to move into the hip flexors, which are just located attached to our lumbar spine, but operate in lifting our legs up like this. For this, we're going to head down to the ground. I'm going to grab my towel just to put underneath my knee, just so I have a bit more support while I'm in this position. Placing one foot out in front, my knee at the back, feeling that stretch up the back, or the front I should say, of our leg here. Remembering to breathe always as we dive through these. And then coming back up and switching sides. And the next one we're going to move on to is just working into our glutes. So for the next one, guys, we're going to work into the glutes. Starting with our legs outstretched in front of us, we're going to take our left leg and bring that up, cross that foot over the knee, take our right arm, wrap that around the knee, and we're going to pull that one across the body, feeling a stretch up the back here. Always remembering to breathe, 20 to 30 seconds, guys. Taking that one down and off, swapping over to the other side, bringing that one up, crossing that one over, using our left arm now to stretch around, pulling that knee across the body, feeling that up the back of the glute, always breathing. And bringing that one down. So another variation I like to do on our glute stretch is lying flat on my back, and I'll show you that one now. So just lying down, placing a towel on the ground if you'd like, bringing my left leg up and placing my ankle on my right leg, and I'm going to thread through with both my arms to pull through the back of this leg. Remembering always to breathe, guys. Bringing that one back down, placing that leg down and swapping over to the other leg. Ankle on the knee, placing our hands through, resting our head, pulling in and breathing. bringing that one down. Well, that's it, guys. A nice, easy follow-along stretch for the lower limbs. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, we always want to breathe when we're going through our stretches to make it a little bit easier, and it just gets easier the more and more we do it. So let's get stretching. See you next time, guys. You done? Are you done? Yeah. Okay. She's done. It's dinner time. Let's go get some dinner.